Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am here in our 2014 Toyota 4Runner, and today I'm going to show you the procedure that I use when cleaning the seats in our SR5 Premium. So the seats on this 4Runner are Softex, which is basically like a vinyl. So the owner's manual just says to wipe it down with, I think, water. So I have a 2016 Toyota Tundra Platinum. I'll show you that right now. And they have real leather seats. So the product that I use on those are the chemical guys. Leather cleaner, leather conditioner, and then the leather serum, which is supposed to provide some UV protection. So I'm going to do the same thing on these Softex seats. This is my fiance's vehicle. I'm not sure when we last cleaned it, but I'm going to show you what I do. So let me go with the products and I'll show you what... Alright guys, so the items that I'm using to clean are the Chemical Guys leather cleaner. I really like this cleaner. And it says OEM approved. But I've used the Lexol cleaners, and this is my favorite one by far. So we'll start with that. We'll use this brush to help clean the seat, get the foaming action. Then we'll use this leather conditioner, which has the vitamin E lotion, cream lotion in there. And then we'll use the serum, which has the advanced UV blocking agents and essential oils. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you what we do. So I'll take the brush here, just give it a little squirt, like so, and then I spray on the seat, and then just make sure you rub it really good here. Whoops. You see that nice foaming action. That's what you want. You can see the dirt that's stuck in the seat seam here. I'm going to spray some more on here, get more lubricant. And you want to just work this in. It's going to lift the oils off the seat and provide you with a nice clean surface when you apply your conditioner and serum. Alright, so I'm going to take one of my brown rags here, and then just wipe this down. Wipe all this off. Alright, then I take a brown applicator. I'm going to take the conditioner first, shake it up really well. Then what I do is I apply it like this. Do a stripe is what I usually do, like so. And I'll just do this on the seat, kind of get it in there, and just rub it in. You don't need a lot of this stuff, guys. A little bit goes a long way. So I always make sure you get the bolster here. This gets the most wear. So alright, I'm going to let that set for a little bit, and we'll be back and we'll wipe it off, the excess. Alright guys, so I've let it set for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to take my brown rag and just wipe off the excess. Just nicely buff the seat off so that there's no excess remaining, like so. Okay, so then I like to take this serum. I don't do it every time, but shake it up. Oops. And then same thing, apply a strip on here, like that. on your applicator. Same thing, I just go like this, kind of get it on each section of the seat, and then just rub it in. Get the bolster, sides. Alright, just like that. Now we'll let that set for a little bit, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, it's been about, 3 or 5 minutes here, so I'm gonna just buff the excess off of the seat. So what I like about this is the seat, there's a little bit down in the crack still, a little dirt. So the seat, hard to show in the video, but the seat feels soft. It's not slick. This won't rub off on your pants, but it gives a nice finish to the Softex seats. Like I said, they're not leather, so it's kind of overkill for them, but I like using the same products that I use on my truck. I try to use them on the 4Runner as well. It's easier to buy one product than try to find like 3 or 4 different ones. So, so far these seats have held up really well. This 4Runner has, I think, 75,000 miles on it. As you can see, there's like almost a little bit of wear here on the passenger side seat, but it's holding up pretty good. And it's 2014, so it's over 6 years old. Just held up really good. I try to do this once a month, all my vehicles. I'll do one in the Tundra too, just to show you how that looks on the leather, real leather, versus the Softex here. But yeah, I'll take you over to the driver's side and just show you how that seat's holding up too. But so far the seat here having like little wear, which I'm really surprised, because a lot of people online talk about how much these seats are wearing. So, alright guys, so here's the driver's seat. Like I said, not a lot of wear. The bolster is kind of, compared to this side, the bolster is kind of, sorry about that, the bolster is kind of wore down a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit here, but like I said, this vehicle is a 2014. It's got, and I was wrong, it's actually got 76,513 miles on it. So, I mean, this kind of wear is pretty good. The Softex is holding up pretty good. Do I like it better than real leather? No, but that's a topic for another video. This is how I clean. I just want to show you guys how I clean these seats, how I maintain them. I do my Tundra the same way, and my Tundra's not showing any wear on its seats either. And I'm a real believer in Chemical Guys products. I'm not sponsored by them at all, so I don't get any kickback or anything for using their products, but I just really like the products. So, just want to show you guys what I do to clean the Softex seats on our 2014 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. So, if y'all found that helpful, please hit the subscribe button. I'll do more videos like this. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and let me know in the comments what you think.